Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Hey guys, let's just unpack Nancy Ndabaga Paul O'Sullivan, who's being sued by General UPC Untanta Mkhwanazi for 5 million. I'm like, hey, I'm liar, yo. And if you remember, guys, put that video actually here. I'll attach it on the description. I had spoken a lot about O'Sullivan ukuthi why elokele khuluma kabi lo baba lo wabantu Mkhwanazi, because he's the only one who's actually come forward to say stuff like what's going on, and he was just like, I needed to do it like that, how I did it. Although people were just like, why wenza kanjalo, wenza some small press conference yakho uyi-1, like what was that for? What akekho umuntu obezongizwa? And people can't believe it. Ngoba is just too much. Like it was taking other directions. It needed to be stopped by someone at some stage. Then Paul O'Sullivan started to speak about this guy Gabi, dragging him on social media. I was just like, Baba umdala, why? What is your problem? It was just like, and the problem with O'Sullivan, he was trying to discredit Mkhwanazi, and it has been found out basically by legal advisors, most of his stuff is not even valid. This guy, the things he was saying, there was one that I even said, I'm just like, how is that even? Now you're gonna trash this guy for that? And then he went on to be rude. I remember very well on that video that I made in July, where I even said after emailing the incompetent people that work for him. Guys, like gaslighting Mkhwanazi, gaslighting everybody in Germany. All those allegations that he made about Mkhwanazi, O'Sullivan, uyagula shame, because even a retired cop has applauded Mkhwanazi, saying that this is historic. Askasibon danger. And then people were, obviously, I mean, it felt like a snitching, this thing, Mkhwanazi. But at the end of the day, it needed to happen, guys, at some stage. It was too much. It's a lot was going on. While Ushadrick Sbeyu General still meant, no, I'm innocent. Ngazi abantu bangifunani. And bekuzoboshwa lo muntu even before this Matlanga commission. Angazi ukuthi akaboshwa ngani, honestly. O'Sullivan was trying to tarnish Mkhwanazi's reputation, and it backfired very badly. And it's still going to backfire. He won't believe himself. He's going to have to pay this 5 million because he's going to have to give us proof of the stuff that he's been saying about Mkhwanazi. Uguti is a dirty copy and a kala. Like, guys, like, why would you go on like that? Why would you go on like that? Because why would Mkhwanazi say all of these things if he was a dirty cop? O'Sullivan, you must have backup. And O'Sullivan is on his own, right? I'm just like, what are you even trying to do here? I get the fact that Paul O'Sullivan has been interested in policing and corruption, whatever is going on in the police force, basically. But you can't, guys, come up with claims like this. You need to have them in paper. You need to have a record. You have nothing. I'm just like, and what was expected is that O'Sullivan would have been positive about Mkhwanazi, because Mkhwanazi was fighting izinto naye, that is fighting corruption in the police force. And then the next thing, Mintu Jigi now is comparing Mkhwanazi. It's like, when and now, how come when you can come out, but you are a dirty Bible, O'Sullivan? These claims, how is it going to back them up? O'Sullivan said Mkhwanazi is running a hit squad and is also corrupt. He was just saying a whole lot of things, actually. The papers to serve O'Sullivan were drafted on the 12th, and they were actually served to him on the 15th. And then he says, O'Sullivan is not backing down, but he won't basically say it out loud now. what he's going to do, but he does have evidence. I'm just like, we are waiting for that evidence. Please. We are waiting for it. Ngapha, uSerge Kabange, ayenza mkhumbulo, umngani kaTebogo noKate Matlala. Low singing like a canary on indaba. Oh, he's such a that guy, you can just tell. You don't even need to, I can see right through him. So it's just like now he's going to expose General Shadrack Sibiya. I'm just like, please do. Those are things we're looking for at Madlanga Commission. That's what we're looking for. Please do. Ngizwe kancane guys. Silinde uMadlanga manje. Thank you so much guys for supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.